In this tutorial, we will be executing a one-step stock transfer within the same plant using the Fiori app Transfer Stock in Plant. This process moves material from one storage location to another using a single material document. Begin by opening the Fiori app titled Transfer Stock in Plant. Once the app is open, you will first need to select the correct plant where the stock transfer is taking place. Next, select the correct material you wish to transfer. To select the source location, click the icon next to the unrestricted stock quantity of the storage location you wish to transfer from. After selecting the source location, click the icon next to the unrestricted stock quantity of the storage location you wish to transfer to. A new pop-up window will open to confirm the details of the transfer. In this window, insert the quantity to be transferred into the quantity field. Also double-check that the unit of measure is correct for the transfer. Once the quantity is confirmed, click the Post button to complete the material movement. The system will confirm that the material movement has been successfully posted. This process instantly updates the stock quantity in both the source and destination storage locations.